Hey guys. Hey guys. How's it going? Hey. Oops. Hey. Got some bees. We got some bees. Got some honey working. Got some honey working. You liking your new queen? Do you know when the rain's supposed to start?
I think by 5.
Not again! Having some snacks. Having some snacks. Oh, there she is! Bottom. 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 Queen! Right there.
Right there?
Right there. No. Right there.
Oh,
Look at her.
Look at her, a little chunky.
Alright, I'm going to put you back really, really gently.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now we know where the queen is. So I know on me getting my tool back, it's not going to hurt. Does that rain?
Maybe.